Okay, let's cover some of the more popular extensions. And just to recap, I have a very large, extensive collection of links and extensions and notes that I've been tracking for quite some time. So I have a pretty good idea of what's out there, and I did a little refreshing of my data before I did this quick course on extensions, although I keep it pretty current. First one, Simple Extension Manager. There's lots of Chrome extensions that actually manage other extensions, and I used about 4 or 5 and came to the conclusion that the Simple Extension Manager is the best, or at least in my opinion is the best. It's pretty easy to use. AdBlock owns the market. There's millions of people who've downloaded it. It works wonderfully. There's some limitations, obviously for cell phones because they don't have extensions, but actually AdBlock just recently posted their own browser in the Android marketplace, if you can believe it. Google, which is a short abbreviation, is a URL shortener, and it takes those long extensions and makes them into handy dandy short ones. And actually, this uses Google to make the extensions shorter, although the extension itself was not written by Google. Hola Better, whoops, sorry about that. Hola Better Internet is one that helps you if you're trying to watch a video and it's being blocked because it says you're in the wrong location. Now, this is one of the ones that used to be really great and is still pretty good, but there's a lot of postings now that doesn't quite work as well as it used to, and there's a few alternate extensions for this, but it's still there and it's still pretty good. I think it's sort of on the edge right now of going off my list, but certainly still worth looking into. The Camelizer is one that I showed you on the hot tips earlier. And where is it? If you go to Amazon or most shopping sites and you have this extension installed, it'll show you what the prices did, because today everything is a computer calculation and they change prices depending on how many people click on it, the time of day. There's a lot of things, so it's hard to tell. And I can see here that the price range went from 60 to 100 actually for this one product, and it tells me over time and over different channels what were the best deals. A very useful extension. I wish I could do the same thing for Google Flights, because I know lots of great apps and extensions that tell you the lowest flights, but none that tell you over time. For example, I can go to Las Vegas right now from San Francisco for $85, but a few weeks ago I had it at 46. And so there's still no perfect way for me to get the absolute best flights, although there's still quite a few ways online to check that out. What do we have here? Google Cast, which is if you have a Chromecast, there's a great extension, and they're everywhere in apps now where you can just easily cast your extension. Now, of course, in your home environment, you'd probably be doing that from your phone or tablet more than most. And Push Bullet is a great little add-in that you can put on your phone that shows you notifications you're getting on your phone as well. So when you're on your computer and you're getting notifications from your phone, you can see them. Now, some people may hate this, but if you're really attuned to your phone, it's a pretty good thing to do. Okay, and again, these are the most popular. A lot of people really like LastPass, some tab managers and bookmark managers, and again, these are in quite a state of flux in 2015. And again, there might be some people who really love a certain tab or bookmark manager, and you can download it if you want, but just know, it may not work in 3 months or 6 months again, because Google's making a lot of changes in that area right now.